Hi, this is Rob from SeeHowToDoIt.com. Before we start the video, we'd like to thank you for watching. We'd also like to ask you to please like, subscribe, and share on social media, and visit us at SeeHowToDoIt.com. Today we're going to show you how to connect your Mastercool swamp cooler to a water supply line. Today we're going to hook it up to a garden hose with two simple parts. First, you're going to need a 1/4-inch swivel connector and a 1/4-inch supply line, which we will put links in the description. So let's get started. We're going to go ahead and connect our two parts, our two 1/4-inch parts. Go ahead and get it hand tightened there. And now we're going to tighten it a little bit with a wrench. Okay, that should be good. Now we're going to go ahead and connect it to our connector on the swamp cooler. Okay, we're going to go ahead and connect it. First, we're going to hand tighten it. And then we're going to give it a little 1/4 turn approximately with our wrench. And now we're going to go ahead and connect this end to the garden hose. Okay. All right, now that it's connected, we're ready to go ahead and turn on our water. Okay, now you can hear our swamp coolers filling up, and it's pretty much as simple as that. And you could use this same theory to connect a garden hose for a water supply line to pretty much almost any swamp cooler with a 1/4-inch connection. Once again, we'd like to thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share on social media, and visit us at SeeHowToDoIt.com. Thank you.